besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay, and on this channel I cover all things beauty and a whole lot of fragrance content. So if that sounds interesting, definitely consider subscribing. But in today's video, I am sharing with you all my perfume collection. I'm not going through and describing each scent like usual. Just did that pretty recently, but in this video I more so want to share how I store my perfumes. I thought this would be a very fun idea because I don't think I've actually ever showed y'all how I do organize my scents, how they're laid out. Like a few videos of my trays before, my organizers, and I've never showed the whole shebang. So that is exactly what we're gonna do today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so I have a lot of videos going over my perfume trays. I always keep my perfume trays on this table right here, and then right here I keep my Parfums de Marly's. Y'all know I love Parfum de Marly's so much, so I love having them all on full display. And I mean, look at the bottles, they are insanely beautiful. So this section, all I have is my perfume tray for whatever month it is, and then also my Parfum de Marly's. And I feel like once I get more Parfum de Marly's, I'm just gonna put them on my other organizers, but these ones are just so beautiful. I decided to go close up, that way as I'm going through my collection, if you're like, oh, I thought she had that fragrance, you can see that it's just here. So those are those, and then here are my Parfum de Marly perfumes, which are absolutely ridiculously beautiful. Over here, I have my niche perfumes. I know that they're in direct sunlight right now, but I promise 9 times out of 10 they're not. I just wanted to have good lighting for the video. But these are some of my niche fragrances. I have Bond Number 9, some Xerjoffs, lots of Kilian. I love Kilian a whole lot. And I just smelled Rolling in Love. That will be my next Kilian purchase, I promise you. So gorgeous. I'm in love with it. And then here are some of my Initio perfumes. I have 2 Giardini di Toscana perfumes. I have 2 House of Sillage. And then the rest of these right here, I only have 1 fragrance from each house. Down here, I have my Kayali perfumes, my Nest perfumes, the 7 Virtues perfumes. I also have Cherry Ambition, not sure where that fragrance is. Some from Fleur. I have a lot of Skylar, like a whole lot of Skylar. Jo Malone, 2 by Rosie Jane. I have a 3rd, but it's on the tray. And then I also have back here, these are my 2 Tom Fords, the Soleil Blanc and the Oil. I have 1 from Replica in the bigger bottle. And then I also have this, which is pretty new to my collection, Sparkling Sugar. I found my Cherry Ambition. I had used it for a video. And there's a whole lot going on here, I know, but like I have a system. Also, I bought all of these organizers from Bell's Outlet if you are interested. So here I have all of my Valentino Donna Born in Romas. I have my YSL Black Opiums. This one is the Over Red. I have the original and also the Le Parfum. Back here we have the YSL Libs and also Mon Paris right here. From Giorgio Armani, I have the C's. 2 of the C's. I have Acqua di Gioia. I have Lancôme La Nuit Trésor, and then also 2 Lancôme Idols, and then 2 Dior's. I feel like they're complete opposites, but this one is for when I want to smell sweet, delicious, sexy, and then this one is for when I want to smell clean, fresh, and just effortlessly stunning. Down here, I have my Victor and Rolf Flower Bombs. I have Mugler. This is Burberry Goddess, Burberry Her Elixir, and here I have Narciso Rodriguez. This is the Poudre, and then also this one is Musk Noir Rose, which smells phenomenal. Then we have our Versace perfumes. This one is Devotion from Dolce & Gabbana. This is the only one from Dolce & Gabbana. And then back here is the L'Imperatrice, which I'm probably butchering. I'm so sorry, from also Dolce & Gabbana. Then I have two of my Good Girls from Carolina Herrera. This one is the Good Girl Blush. We have the Very Good Girl. And then as you guys saw on my tray, I also have the new Elixir, which is so bomb. And then here we have two from Jimmy Choo. Down here on the bottom, these are the fragrances where I only have one from each brand. So like I don't have anything else from the Brown Girl Jane, nothing else from 5 Cents, nothing else from Prada, etc. And here, there's a whole lot going on. These are all of my Middle Eastern perfumes. So I have a whole lot of Arab perfumes here. I have Swiss Arabian, Paris Corner, Latafa, Orientica, Maison Alhambra, lots and lots of brands here. So yeah, I love them all dearly. And I have a few down here. I need to take some from the top and put them on the bottom so it's not so top heavy, because this looks like it needs to be filled up. Of course, that's how my mind works. And then here I have all of my Finery perfumes. I have my one Philosophy, my one sniff scent. This one is Vanilla Vice. And I also have two vacation scents. I have this one, which is more of like a clean, fresh kind of green. This one is After Sun. And then I also have their vacation scent, which gives me that sunscreen like banana smell, which I really like a whole lot. That one is delicious. Down here, again, I just have more affordable. So Pacifica, some Zara, some fragrances I picked up from TJ Maxx, my Pink Sugars. I have this one right here from Frey Fruité from Le Monde Gourmand. I actually just bought one of these with my own money. This was sent to me. And I ordered Coco Colada because that sounded really great for summer. So I hope I like that one. My Pistache Skincare. This smells phenomenal. So does the body lotion. And also my one Ocha Heaven Speak fragrance. Supposed to smell like angel share, but not that close in my opinion. Then down here we have all of my celebrity perfumes. Lots of Britney Spears Fantasy. We have Sabrina Carpenter, Ariana Grande, Billie Eilish. This one too. Then here is where I keep all of my travels and samples. I'm missing a lot of my samples at the moment. Not sure where they've ran off to, but these are some travels here. Sometimes if they're too like long and skinny, they fall really easily, so I just put them in that. Then here we have some Valentino, some Fleur, Skylar, this one right here from Nest, the 7 Virtues, that one is Vanilla Woods, the little Kayali mini replicas, y'all know I love these so much, Jo Malone, this right here is Sunlit Blooms from Dead Cool. I have a few others from Dead Cool as well. This one is Extra Milk. I also have Milk and Taunt, not sure where those are. But yeah, besties, this is how I organize all of my fragrances. I mean, it might not be the best way, but it's a good way for me and it works for me. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you do, there we go. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good things, and I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!